Don't throw away those broken crayons. Let's make a sun catcher with them today. Be sure to remove all paper from the crayons. This is a great job for the kids to do. Gather a grater, sharpener with large hole and something to catch the shavings. We used large coffee filters. A hair dryer allows the kids to help melt the crayon shavings. Finally, you'll need wax paper and newspaper or junk mail that will protect your iron from the wax. Shave the crayons down, being careful not to scrape your fingers. See my band-aid? Save the last nubs for another quick project we'll do at the end. While you're doing the grater, the kids can help shave crayons using that large holed sharpener. Cut a long piece of wax paper, fold it in half, and spread the shavings over 1/2 of the wax paper. With a little patience, kids can melt the crayon shavings with a hair dryer set on high heat but low speed. For quicker results, an adult can use an iron set on low to mid heat, no steam. Cover the wax paper with the newspaper to protect the iron. Let the melted crayons cool. A quick stay in the refrigerator works well. Now it's time to cut the melted crayons into shapes. Draw freehand or trace. We used simple cookie cutters. The more basic the shape, the easier to cut out. Cut out your shapes using sharp scissors. The more basic the shape, the easier to cut out without tearing. Tape your sun catchers up in a bright, but not too warm, window. Remember those last bits of crayons that didn't get shaved down? Put them in a small microwave-safe container for 1 minute at a time. Stir with a toothpick. Repeat until they're all melted. Cool in the refrigerator for 2 hours. Now you have one large multicolored crayon to play with.